This video is part of a series, a journey through the solar system. One planet at a time, from the smallest and fastest to the largest and most distant. In this series, we will explore every planet orbiting our sun, not as simple objects in space, but as worlds with extreme conditions, hidden histories, and clues about how our solar system was formed. And we begin this journey with the closest planet to the sun, a world of extremes, a planet that should not survive where it is. This is Mercury. Mercury is often ignored. It has no rings, no thick atmosphere, no moons. At first glance, it looks like a dead, boring rock. But Mercury is not simple. In fact, it is one of the most extreme planets in the entire solar system. If you want to understand how planets form, how gravity works, and how brutal the sun truly is, you must start with Mercury. Mercury orbits closer to the sun than any other planet. So close that a year on Mercury lasts just 88 Earth days. But here's the strange part. A single day on Mercury, from one sunrise to the next, lasts 176 Earth days. That means a single Mercury day is longer than its year. This creates temperature extremes that no other planet experiences. On Mercury's day side, temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But on the night side, temperatures drop to -180 graus Celsius, cold enough to freeze almost anything. Mercury experiences the largest temperature difference of any planet in the solar system. Why? Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere, no thick air to trap heat, no clouds to protect the surface, just raw exposure to the sun and to space. From Mercury's surface, the sun would look 3 times larger than it does from Earth. Solar radiation is intense. Solar winds constantly hit the planet over billions of years. The sun has slowly stripped Mercury of whatever atmosphere it once had. Mercury is a survivor, a planet that endured what would destroy most worlds. Mercury's surface is covered with craters. Some are billions of years old. Unlike Earth, Mercury has no weather to erase its scars. Every impact is preserved. These craters tell a story about the early solar system, about constant bombardment, about survival and chaos. Mercury is a fossil record of planetary violence. This might sound impossible, but Mercury has ice and deep craters near its poles. Sunlight never reaches the surface. These regions remain permanently frozen. And inside them, scientists discovered water icy on the planet closest to the sun. This discovery changed how we think about heat, shadow, and survival in space. Mercury has an unusually large core, so large that it makes up most of the planet's interior. One theory suggests Mercury was once much larger. A massive collision stripped away its outer layers. Another theory suggests Mercury formed this way naturally in a violent early solar system. We still don't know which is correct. Mercury keeps its secrets. Mercury teaches us something important. Planets do not need to be perfect to exist. They do not need balance. They do not need comfort. They only need gravity, time, and endurance. Mercury shows us how close a world can be to destruction and still survive. This was Mercury, the beginning of our journey through the solar system. In the next episode, we move outward to a world hidden behind clouds, a planet of crushing pressure and runaway heat. Next, Venus. This series has just begun.